Good morning, everyone. This is Monika Fahmy, Business Applications Consultant at Oman Data Park. I'm a product manager for three of our SaaS application products, Jagger, Odoo, and MSP e-signature. I'll run a presentation for you now to show the value of each of those products. Thank you. Starting with Jagger. Jagger is our product for the supplier management solution. It is a global leader in the end-to-end spend management. It has 2,000 plus customers, 540 billion spent annually on that platform with 25 years of dedicated spend management solution management. Jager is not only a global leader, but they have a great impact on the economy, and this is shown on Gartner, on top 100 logistics IT providers and Magic Quadrants for multiple years. As you can see, it is a leader in the market. It has a strong Middle East presence, not only an international presence, and in multiple sectors. So in the government, oil and gas, retail, telecom, manufacturing, education, and services. And as you can see, they're all very leading companies that are using the Jagger application. And these are a sample of the global presence and references of Jagger, again, in multiple sectors. The sector in figures, over 60 Jagger customers worldwide supported by Jagger professionals. And these are some of the oil and gas references. So as you can see, again, quite leading and reputable references. There are multiple use cases for the product, and I would be very happy to go into depth of each of them. Just please reach out to me anytime, and I will be sharing this presentation with you. As Jagger application, it consists of multiple modules. You can manage your supplier network and your third-party applications using those modules. And the modules start with the spend analytics, category management, supplier management, sourcing, contracts, e-procurement, invoicing, inventory management, supply chain collaboration, and quality management. The good thing about Jagger one is that the flexibility of choosing the module that best suits your business need at the moment and going further with it. The integration capabilities of Jagger is very high. You can present within market and third-party systems due to service and communication interfaces based on elevated safety standards. Standards-based security web-based services. For each integration model, there's a technical documentation available, and as you can see, the integration here is high. There's also the mobile capabilities, which brings the power of the platform directly into the hands of the procurement team anytime and anywhere. The platform is available through a dedicated app where a procurement professional can monitor and respond to important developments in real time. With mobile enablement, users can access all of their approval requests, no more waiting for approvers, monitor the status, and be notified on upcoming contract and expirations, interact with suppliers by responding directly to their queries and posting important event and updates. So this gives you a great supplier management and control. Now to Odoo. Odoo is an ERP that is an open source, and it is for every business need that you have. Any gap, if you have a current ERP, Odoo can jump in and boost that gap with multiple modules for every business need, from CRM, supply chain, HR, finance. There are so many applications that you can insert and integrate into your company and customize it. And this is the beauty of having an open source solution in hand, that it will tackle your exact need and customize it the way you want. So you can boost your sales, you can integrate your services, streamline your operation, customize and develop whatever you want, amplify your market, manage your finance, and build stunning websites. Odoo has a strong stand when it comes to user friendliness. So the application is very easy to use and it's very user friendly for daily activities for your employees. It has 2 million users in covering 120 plus countries. They have 730 partners. And here at ODP, we are hosting the Odoo software. Again, it has all the applications, and this is an example for the operations applications. You have inventory, timesheet, project, purchase, field services. And again, for the HR, you have the full cycle of the HR from hiring to the retirement of an employee. It also covers your inventory needs and the marketing applications, which show case your presence on social media and how you can have control over it and manage your leads and manage how you can have full visibility on your brand and control over it. So Odoo's Edge is basically having one app for every business need. You have fully integrated business solution, customizable one that has faster improvement with the open source model and a flexible pricing model as well. Now to MSP, which gives us a solution for e-signature, or as we call it now, digital signature. MSP is a smart document solution to streamline your work. Basically, they have been in the market for quite some time, and they have a reputable clientele, including Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, and they have strong technology partners such as Salesforce, SharePoint, Microsoft, and they have all the regulatory compliance needed, such as the FDA. They have a strong presence on Gartner Magic Quadrant as well. So the value of MSB is to have a document workflow management system and also give you the digital signature if people are not on the workplace. So this is mainly to tackle the problem of having high turnaround time, the storage cost of paper, and the courier hassle. No more lost documents and no more delayed signature or human error, because now you can have digital documents instead of papers. So the amount of paper that is being brought in yearly, that can all be replaced with having it all digitalized. You can also streamline your process by having a workflow that you design for a document. So you can manage who is going to be reviewing, who's going to be signing, where and when. And what if that person is not available at the office? Who can be delegated? So you have a streamlined process of the signature, and that can never be interrupted. Also, you will have all the control over the document once it leaves your premises to your suppliers, invoices, and everything. So the benefit of MSB is having 80% increase in your employee productivity, because you will know where the document is and who should be signing it. It has easy tracking and monitoring of progress of agreements, 10 times faster turnaround time in preparing and signing agreements, and no back and forth routing. Human errors is reduced because you will never get a document and receive it back if it doesn't have the e-signature located where you want it to be. And you can easily search and retrieval of past documents because each document will have a specific ID. So the integration, again, of this solution is high. With regulatory compliances, there is a tamper-proof audit trail of every changes happening or reviews or comments being added. And the document collaboration using team rooms is also there. The functional use cases across the enterprise are very high because each department will benefit from the solution. Procurement will have all their SOWs, RPF signed off, supplier compliances, internal approvals, vendor onboarding, all of that will be taken care of with the e-signature. Also, the legal department using contracts, non-disclosure agreements, asking for signatures, you will have that. Finance department, definitely. IT for any asset tracking, onboarding of new hires or offboarding. So for the HR as well, this is very in high demand. So each department will highly have a value of it in a different way. It was a great pleasure to present to you all those three amazing software solutions that we are hosting here. Please feel free to reach me for any further clarifications and any demos requests. Thank you and have a great day.